Okay, just to show you the end sketch of this character, and then trying to establish the beginning. So going through this quickly, just with the line of action for the spine, and then starting with the head, the torso, and the pelvis, and then trying to locate the feet. So that way, at least you have a ground plane to help you extend the rest of the character from, so you can see the motion. This one, they're just kind of crouching down and has a little bit of the tail bushed up in a S curve behind them, so that kind of has a life of its own. But then, still building this character, thinking of that egg shape with the circular line, the center line, to find the center of the nose, and then placing all the symmetry of it for all the different parts, and then kind of placing the eyes in, this time last, just so there's a little bit more of the structure built up before you put the kind of a surprised look in their face. Put a little highlight in there, and using the shadow and the dark parts for the accent. So again, using the thin and thick line, a little bit of the dark edge there. And then when you get into the foot, try to find some of the anatomy from the bottom part of the foot, the toes, the way they're placed in there. Because we went over the hand before with the kind of that mitten shape, but then inside they're trying to get a little bit more expression with the fingers for putting it together. And they're surprised. So just put the acorn kind of hidden behind the other character, just overlapping a little bit. And again, that's still a basic spherical shape to help you with. And then doing a little bit of the shading, and you can put a paper down so you don't smear, but then taking a finer point pencil to do some of the shading, and it gives a little bit of the hatch lines to help not only with the texture, the shading, but also the volume of the drawing. So it gives you the whole piece there.